The Subcommittee on Oversight and Investigations Committee for Financial Services will come to order. Today's hearing is on oversight of the Federal Home Loan Bank System. Why are we having an oversight hearing on the Federal Home Loan Bank System? Well, a couple of reasons. One, we haven't had one in 5.5 years. And so here lately we've been waiting until there's a crisis, and then we have oversight hearings, and a lot of people think maybe that's not the time to be doing oversight, that maybe you ought to do oversight in front of issues instead of in a trailing manner. And the other is the Federal Home Loan Bank System is $1 trillion entity. It has a huge impact on liquidity in the marketplace and has served functions in housing and other areas providing liquidity for banks. So it's an important piece of our financial system, and obviously it's an opportune time to have a little bit of an update. I think one of the things that obviously there's been a lot of discussion about GSEs, and the Federal Home Loan Banks are in fact GSEs. So that one of the issues that I think we will want to hear more about today is that really the core mission of the Federal Home Loan Bank System in the past is to provide advances, as they're called, to their member banks. But when we start looking at the balance sheets of some of these entities, we find out that a lot of them, in fact, hold more investments in things other than advances than they do in advances. And so the question is has the Federal Home Loan Bank System gotten away from their core mission statement? And one of the things, not to draw an analogy here, but to go back and revisit Freddie and Fannie, a lot of people feel like that where the Freddie and Fannie went wrong was that they got away from their core mission and tried to be some things that maybe they shouldn't have tried to be. So obviously we want to talk today about what is the core mission of the home loan banks. Are they following that mission? And I think the other question is are we operating, is that system operating in an optimum way? Because obviously the efficiency of the system has a huge impact on the cost of capital to the members. And so obviously that's an important thing, particularly in this environment. So I think that this is an excellent opportunity for a couple of things. One, for our distinguished committee members to learn a little bit more about the Federal Home Loan Bank System, and for us to get an update. And I think to get into some discussions about what is the direction forward for the banks as well. So I appreciate our distinguished witnesses today, and we look forward to some healthy discussion here.